Okay, so now we will learn about different clothing accessories, like earrings, globes, rings, and things like that. So let's try it out. The first word we have is el bolso, which means the handbag. El bolso. So yeah, the handbag. El bolso. And so this one is interesting because we have la bolsa, which means the bag. So la bolsa kind of just refers to a normal bag. And el bolso refers to a handbag. So la bolsa is feminine and it's just a bag. El bolso is like the women's handbag. El bolso. However, some people will also call la bolsa for a handbag. So some people will say la bolsa when you have a handbag. So yeah, you can either say el bolso or la bolsa. Both are actually okay, referring to the handbag. El bolso or la bolsa, the bag or the handbag. But both can be, you can either say both of them. So the next one, la bufanda, the scarf. La bufanda, the scarf. Bufanda. So yeah, la bufanda, the scarf. And the third one, las botas, which means the boots. Las botas, the boots. Las botas. So yeah, el bolso or la bolsa for the handbag, la bufanda for the scarf, las botas for the boots. Okay, let's try some examples. The first one. Mi novio me compró un nuevo bolso. My boyfriend bought me a new handbag. So yeah, mi novio, my boyfriend, me compró, bought me un nuevo bolso, a new handbag. And the next example. Hace mucho frío en esta ciudad. Necesito una bufanda gruesa. So the word gruesa means thick. I need a thick scarf. Necesito una bufanda gruesa. So basically, hace mucho frío, it's very cold. En esta ciudad, in this city. Necesito, I need, una bufanda gruesa, a thick scarf. So yeah, that's how it works. Okay, and the next example. Necesitamos usar botas en la nieve. We need to wear boots in the snow. Necesitamos usar botas en la nieve. So yeah, botas, boots, nieve, snow. Necesitamos, we need. So you know this one, it's quite simple. And a few more words. The next one is la billetera, which means the wallet. La billetera. So billete means the bill, and billetera means the wallet. So basically a bill wallet, basically a bill thing. La billetera, the bill, the place where you put your bills. Think about it that way. The place where the bills are. La billetera. Billete, the bill. So yeah, it's a good way to think. It's an easy way to think about. The next one. Los guantes. The gloves. Los guantes. The gloves. So yeah, guantes, gloves. And the next one. El reloj, which means the watch. El reloj. The watch. El reloj. So, one more time. La billetera, the wallet. Los guantes, the gloves. El reloj, the watch. El reloj. So these ones are simple. And, well, actually, reloj can also be used for those type of clocks. For example, a wall clock. We also say el reloj. Not only the watch, but also the big clocks. For example, in a wall, yeah, one of those big clocks, we also say el reloj. In English, you divide between clock and watch. In Spanish, there's only one word, el reloj. And let's try the examples. ¿Qué será? What will it be? ¿Qué será? ¿Será una billetera? Will it be a wallet? ¿Qué será? What will it be? ¿Será una billetera? Will it be a wallet? And the next example. Ella usa guantes para limpiar la casa. She wears gloves to clean the house. And there's actually a problem here. There's a small mistake. So it should be this picture, the one on the right. So this one, she is using gloves to clean the house. So yeah, we have technical problems, but it should be the picture right here with this sentence. Ella usa guantes para limpiar la casa. She wears gloves to clean the house. So yeah, she's cleaning the house with some gloves. Okay, and the next example. Tengo un reloj inteligente. I have a smartwatch. Tengo un reloj inteligente. So yeah, inteligente means smart, reloj, watch. So basically a smartwatch. Tengo un reloj inteligente. Same thing can be said for a phone. Tengo un teléfono inteligente. I have a smartphone. Un teléfono inteligente. But most of the time we still say celular. I have a cell phone. I have a cell phone. Even if it's a smartphone, I have a cell phone. Un celular. Okay. A few more examples. The next one is el abrigo, which means the coat. El abrigo, the coat. And the second one, el anillo, the ring. El anillo. So yeah, a ring on your finger. El anillo. And the third one, los aretes, the earrings. Los aretes. Los aretes, the earrings. So one more time, el abrigo, the coat. El anillo, the ring. Los aretes, the earrings. Los aretes. And time for examples. Tengo frío. Préstame tu abrigo. Tengo frío. I'm cold. Tengo frío. Préstame, lend me. Tu abrigo, your coat. Lend me your coat. I'm cold. And the next one. Este es mi anillo de matrimonio. Matrimonio means wedding. So this is my wedding ring. Este es mi anillo de matrimonio. This is my wedding ring. Anillo de matrimonio. Wedding ring. Okay, and another example. ¿Cuáles aretes te gustan más? Which earrings do you like the most? ¿Cuáles aretes te gustan más? Which earrings do you like the most? Okay, and let's try a few more. Then we have la pulsera. So la pulsera means the bracelet. La pulsera, the bracelet. And the next one is, so think about this one like the pulse. Era, like the something in your pulse. So people can check your pulse around here or something. So think about it like the pulse. Era, pulsera, right there, pulse. La pulsera, the bracelet. So something on your pulse. Okay. Next one, el collar, which means the neck chain. El collar, the neck chain. El collar. So think about it like a collar. El collar, the neck chain. And then we have la cadena. La cadena means the chain. La cadena, the chain. Some people say cadena instead of collar, but yeah, that's also normal, yeah. La cadena, the chain, basically. So yeah, el collar, the neck chain, or la cadena. Some people say it like that. But yeah, la cadena can also mean like a real proper chain. A big chain like the picture. La cadena, the chain. So let's try the examples. Estoy haciendo mis propias pulseras. I'm making my own bracelets. Estoy haciendo mis propias pulseras. I'm making my own bracelets. So yeah, propias means my own. Mis propias, my own. Pulseras, bracelets. Next one. Él trae un collar con una piedra. So this one actually has a mistake. Let's see if you can find the mistake. The mistake is that él has to have an accent in the letter E. So él with an accent, which means he. If you do not put the accent, it basically means this type of L, the. So yeah, that's the difference, the or he. So él with an accent. He is wearing a necklace with a stone. Él trae un collar con una piedra. He is wearing a necklace with a stone. Piedra, stone or rock. So the word for piedra means a rock or a stone. English has two words, Spanish just one. Yeah, piedra. And the next one. Mi collar es una cadena con una llave. My necklace is a chain with a key. Mi collar es una cadena con una llave. My necklace is a chain with a key. So that's it for this one. It's a long lesson. You can play around with a Quizlet because there's a lot of vocabulary. Also, maybe go watch some movies in Spanish, as always, listen to music, even play video games, try them in Spanish, try the multiplayer option in video games. I mean, if your Spanish is not so good, video game players, they say a lot of weird things. So if you speak English or Spanish, they will say the same things anyway. So as always, thanks for watching. So now it's your turn to practice Spanish. You can find the lessons Quizlet by going into the lecture resources folder. Thanks for watching.